Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into the Google account you'll use for teaching. Once signed in, open Google Classroom and click the plus icon, then Create Class. This starts the core setup. Enter a clear class name so students recognize it, add section and subject for organization, and type a room if needed. Make sure to choose the correct account when prompted. This initial setup is fast yet critical because it creates the unique class space where assignments, announcements, and grades will live. Now you configure the class to match your workflow. Go to Settings and set the grading system, toggle student permissions, and enable Guardian summaries if you want parents updated. Once done, return to the class home and copy the class code, distribute it, or click Invite students to send direct email invites. You can also import a roster via CSV for larger groups. Create a simple announcement or assignment to verify that students can see content and submit work. This confirms permissions and reduces later friction. Finish by organizing the classwork page into topics and posting a welcome message so students know where to start. Schedule a few assignments and attach rubrics or resources. That gives structure and saves time. Make sure to use the student view to confirm everything appears correctly. If something goes wrong, students can't join or can't turn in work. First, check they use the right account and class code, clear the browser cache, or resend the invite. Contact your admin only if access remains blocked.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.